So here's a pro tip to have a default text or a default color palette instead of always having it change to something that you don't really want it to be. For the text, what you can do is you can just add any text and you can add what's called heading 2. And what you can do with heading 2 is you can change the text here to whatever you want. For example, let's say I want Avenir Light. And when I click Save Theme, it's going to save that theme and it can make changes around the website wherever heading 2 is used. So this is a way to have a default text become something that you would rather it is. Similarly, if you wanted to change your page's colors, the color palette of your pages, you can click here on the left side where it says background, click color, and now you can click here on the edit symbol and you can change the colors over here in this color palette to choose whatever fits the color palette of your website. So choose your colors and try to set these templates for your fonts and colors, and this will really help speed up your workflow rather than having to keep changing the site colors or changing the font all the time.